In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily add About Me information to your profile on chess.com. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off go to chess.com and then sign into your account. Once you've done that, click right here at the bottom left corner where it says settings, and then just scroll all the way down until you find About Me. In here we can enter whatever we want, any information about us. I'm just gonna enter test info, just like that, just to demonstrate you how it works. Once you are done with that, don't forget to click at save to save the changes, and then it says that your settings has been saved. After that, if we go to our profile page, and if anyone goes to our profile page, they will be able to get to see that about info right over here. So you can write down here whatever you want.